Hey, how's it going? You made the right choice by clicking this video because this is specially prepared for you. My name is Rex from Toolstar. Today I'm going to show you around our new factory. Let's go. This year we have moved to our own industrial park. Up to now we have more than 500 employees. And let me show you around. This is our office building and our production plant, as well as the living building. Inside our factory is quite big. Let's check it out. Now I'm standing in the machinery production area. Every year we are producing more than 300 Weissel machines and more than 40 squaring and profiling machines. As for multi-Weissel machines, we have already supplied 30 multi-Weissel machines worldwide. Hello, right now we are on the top of the machine. This is the tensioning system. It is controlled by independent hydraulic device. So every single wire is with proper tension and ensures a stable cutting. This machine is variable, so it provides the flexibility to cut 2 cm or 3 cm slabs. For sure, you can also have the options of 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And the liner is self-designed and produced, so we can guarantee the performance and the lifetime. The stainless steel with the fine painting prevents the machine cover from being rusty. The machine is equipped with PLC touch screen and it's really running fast, and also we provide the options of different languages. For sure, we can also customize the language as you request. As for the 40 Weissel machines, we have many options for you, starting from 22 kilowatts to 110 kilowatts. And also we can customize according to your request. For the regions with extreme cold weather, we can design the heating device inside it. For the regions with a hot season, we can design the AC conditioning inside of the machine. This is the production area of our squaring and profiling machines. This year we have upgraded the version and the design with the better performances. If you have any inquiries, feel free to reach our sales representative. This is the production area of diamond beads and also segments. The capacity for the beads is 12 million per month. The capacity for the segment is 1.5 million per month. Still, it is growing as the market demand. This is the production area of injection. Every month we are producing more than 300,000 meters. We have different bounds for different markets. Send us inquiry if you need anything. We have around 30 engineers, as well as collaborating with the top engineer from Italy to design our machines. This is the production and the quality control office. The inline and the final production is well controlled by this dedicated team. This is our office building. Let me show you around. As Shirley said, if the winter comes, can spring be far behind? This year we have all impacted by the coronavirus. But I think we should embrace the challenges and seek opportunities. Now we are prepared. Just we hope to receive you in the near future.